What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to add online payment methods in Shopify. Now first thing you should do is simply open your Shopify dashboard right here. Then you should go to settings down below on the bottom left corner. And now you should go to this option right here, payments. Tap on it. Then here it will show you this button, add payment method. Simply click on it and now you can search by the payment method itself or by provider. So let's say that I'm gonna add PayPal for example, so I'm gonna search for PayPal, so I'm gonna choose global a PayPal. Then I want also to add Visa for example. I need to add MasterCard, and finally I will add American Express for example. And what you should do right now is simply click on this arrow right here and it will ask you to add an extension. You can simply install it, or if you do not have these packages, you can simply add the email of each payment method of yours just in order to get the money on it. And after that, when you go back to payments, you will see here that all of the payment method will appear right here. But here in my case, because I'm using a free trial, it won't appear right now. And after that, you can simply double check if they are working well or not by going to your dashboard again and go into your store and try to purchase something and see if the money will go to your account or not. And you can also try each payment method in order to make sure that everything is doing well. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.